how to edit your applicant name on your trademark. For example, let's assume you made a mistake, or you omitted a letter, or you wanted to add a particular name and you later remember. So this is how you can edit it on your portal, and that is if your trademark has not been approved. You can only do this when your registration is still under awaiting search. So let's go straight into it. This video is going to teach you how to edit or correct a mistake in your applicant name. So the applicant name I want to use for this particular company will be having limited at the front, so I want to add that limited to it right away. Come with me as I show you how you can do this and get it corrected at once. So all you need to do is to log into your IPO portal. Once you get to this particular interface, you need to click on this place where you have trademark, and it will take you here. Once you get to this spot, you come down to where you have clerical updates. Clerical update, that is number, what is that? Let's count together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is number 7. You click on it, it will load up like this. So you'll be asked to enter the file number you want to search, which is the file number that you've gotten from your registration earlier, which I've explained in the previous video. So you copy it. I have copied mine on my clipboard, so you just paste it here. Once you paste your file number, you click on search and give it time to load up. It will open up this interface for you, where you can re-edit whatsoever you want to edit about the applicant. So right now, the next thing is for you to come to this arrow down, click on this arrow down, and it will display all of this for you. So you go to update applicant name, which is the first one here. Remember, who is an applicant? An applicant is the owner of the company you are registering. Yes, so the company we want to trademark, the owner of that company is the applicant. So that is what we want to edit here. So you come down to this place, you can see new information here. Click on this new applicant name and input that particular applicant name that you want to input. So once you input the applicant name right in this spot here, you click on this pay, let it process. You can see processing. Then it will take you down to this place where you need to submit it. So you click on submit, and boom, it has gone. You can see it automatically left the spot after we have submitted it. Now, how are you going to know, or how are you going to see for you to know if it has reflected or not? Let's go back to the application. So what you need to do next is to come down to where you have portfolio summary, and then you go to trademark applications. Click on that trademark applications. Then it will take you to where you have some applications that you have filed or that you are filing. Then you are going to pick that specific application that you just make correction on the applicant's name for you to see and check it out. Here is the application. You can see it's still under awaiting search. That was why I could do the correction I want to do on it. Then you tick this and scroll down here to view. it will take you down to this place. And if you come down to this particular place where we have trademark applicants, you can see it now shows limited, which is here under the trademark applicant. It's showing this limited. So that is how to edit your applicant's name, or how to correct your applicant's name while your registration is still under awaiting search on the portal. I hope we get that. Now, with this being done, now you need to make sure that what you have here is what you have on the power of attorney, as I have said earlier. So if you are making any kind of correction, it should also reflect on your power of attorney. So that is how you edit or correct the errors, or you add or remove any name from your applicant's name on the iponigeria.com portal when you are trademarking, in as much as you still have that registration under awaiting search. I hope you understand that. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, and subscription is free. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop more videos. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. And should in case you want us to help you to handle your trademark registration from start to finish, feel free to use the link in the description box to reach out to us, and we are going to get it done for you fast and easy way, and you'll be getting your trademark document within 2 days. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.